We're spinning off the edge of the world, out in the night. Never had no chance, nowhere to hide. Spinning off the edge of the world, out onto the sun.
We are out here on an adventure. Wow, look at that. 6 weeks of traveling Thailand, Bali, Indonesia, and we're ending it with a bang. We're at Timpak Siwu Waterfall. This place is amazing. End of the trip on a bang. As you guys have seen, it's been a journey to get down here. Walking through like rivers and waterfalls is crazy.
Looks like there's rain up ahead, like there's a crack in the heavens. Feels like my day could be turning, like I can tell that my luck's gonna change. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing.
That's a video. Nice. Oh, you can actually kind of see the sunrise in this.
Like there's a change in the weather. Feels like my time is returning, like I'm about to get out of this cage.
Still got a ways to go. Mount Bromo. Right there.
That's enough for me.
This is where we came
You got me begging, baby.
I've been talking a lot in this video, partly because today we woke up at 2 a.m. to get to the sunrise, and we've been going non-stop. The waterfall yesterday was a bunch of hiking, a bunch of like exercising, so not a lot of room to talk to the camera. As you can tell, kind of out of breath now, so not a lot of time to talk to the camera, but this trip has been fun. We're ending it here. Tomorrow we're back on a plane back to Miami, so we're ending it with some hiking and some nature, not at the beach. So a lot of our trip has been beach, and we're ending it with some more outdoor activities, hiking, waterfalls, stuff like that. The elevation here is also pretty crazy, so that's why I'm also kind of out of breath. But yeah, we'll catch you guys at the top. Gotta love my little Instagram girl down there. Just taking pictures everywhere.
That's true.
We have made it.
Feels like I'm dreaming, like I'm walking by your side. Keeps on repeating.
You can like hear it erupting or gassing. It might be farting, I don't know, but you can hear it. We just finished up from the little hike, and I want you guys to check out all these Jeeps. They're actually Toyotas, but they're like Jeeps. There's like 40,000 of them in this place. Like going up the mountain and everywhere, you just see these Jeeps.